Hi, cutie. Okay, that's enough. Get one out and take it. Don't put them back. Ew, that's yucky. Say yucky. Icky. Okay, hey, you're gonna spill them. Eden, I'm trying to put the lid back on. Eden Brooke, give me the lid. Wait, let me finish. There, no. There, you can have the whole thing. Is it too heavy?